Hey guys, what's up? It's me again, Tom from TTT Tom's Tech Time, today with a short crash test with the two new DJI Mavics, the DJI Mavic Pro 2 and the DJI Mavic Zoom. Let's just check out how tough these two drones are. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe to never ever miss any of my upcoming episodes again. Product links for both drones can be found in the description below the video. Stay tuned and enjoy the episode. The water splashes just hit every single part of the drone itself, the camera, the drone, but it survived it all. I can demonstrate it. It flies like if nothing would have happened. The wind can really not make the Mavic move even. 210 kilometers per hour, and the Mavic is just hovering as if nothing at all would have happened.